What is CSS anyway? In this video, I'm going to answer that question, how to use CSS with your WordPress site, and where to learn more. It's up next. Hey guys, Angelina here with Mint & Porter Design Co., bringing you the best tips for web design and front-end web development. If you'd like to stay in the know about the latest web design strategies, consider subscribing. What is CSS? CSS makes your design come to life on the website. It describes how HTML is meant to be displayed on the website. And what does it stand for? Well, it stands for Cascading Style Sheets. How do I use it with my WordPress website? Let's jump into that tutorial and I'll show you how. How do I use it with my WordPress website? You can use CSS to edit the theme of your WordPress website if it's not behaving the way you'd like it to. You won't be able to customize to the extent you would by programming with PHP, which is what WordPress is made up of, but it comes in handy when you need to do things like make a phone number larger or make an element certain color that the theme won't allow. For example, sign in to your WordPress website and go to your dashboard. Then go to Appearance and Theme Editor. After you select Theme Editor, navigate to the front of your website and find the element you want to change. In this example, we're going to change the color of some text. I use Google Chrome and the Inspect tool on Google Chrome. Access it by Control plus clicking on a Mac to see what is controlling the element in CSS. In this case, I see that it's an H3 or heading element. Under the H3, it gives me a hexadecimal code, and I know that's what's controlling my heading color. This one is like a dark gray black. Then navigate back to your theme editor and click Command F for Find on a Mac until you find your element. See, we have H3 and we have that same hexadecimal color. Now let's change the color. I just searched CSS colors and chose the reputable W3 schools for websites. I selected a purple with the hexadecimal code and copied it. Then we go back over to our website, paste the new hex code under it, and hit update at the bottom. Make sure to have that semicolon bracket to close out your CSS. You know it's saved correctly if you see the file edited in that green banner. If you don't see the changes, your website could be cached and you'll need to clear it. On Chrome, you do this by going to History, Show Full History, clear browsing data on the left, and then check Cached Images and Files, and that clears the data. Then go back to your website, refresh it, and your changes should show up. That's it. It's as simple as that. But word of warning, if you're not familiar with CSS, jumping into the theme editor can really damage your website. So I recommend practicing on a website you are not partial to. You can really do a lot with CSS3, the latest version of CSS. I recommend playing around with it and seeing what you can create. This is where building websites gets fun. And where do I learn it? I recommend the Learn CSS course on Codeacademy. It's free and it covers selectors, display, positioning, colors, typography, and the grid, which is more than enough to get you started learning CSS. I also really recommend the book HTML and CSS, Design and Build Websites by John Duckett. It's a great reference book. So, how do you use CSS? Type it in the comments below. I'd love to connect with you and get a conversation going about CSS. For resources listed in this video, visit the description below. Thanks for checking out this video. Check out my email list in the description below and subscribe to get more videos about coding basics and web design. If you like this video, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and be sure to subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications for every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching.